Food lovers, get in here. It's part 2 of cooking our delicious oxtail. First, we're adding some oil to our Dutch pot. And once the oil hot, we're going to place each piece of oxtail in the pot to sear. Yes, we're locking in all that flavor. While the oxtail is searing, we're going to prep our fresh herbs and vegetable, guys. We're using onion, tomato, scallion. I'm going to use garlic, hot pepper, and I'm also using a piece of thyme. Yeah, I think that's it. So once the first batch of oxtail is seared, we're going to remove them from the pot and repeat with the next batch. After each pieces of oxtail are done, we're going to pour out most of the oil from the pot. Next, we're going to add a little tomato paste. This step is optional, guys, but it gives the dish a nice rich flavor and color that I like. Then we'll toss in all of our chopped ingredients, the onion, scallion, thyme, tomato, hot pepper. We have a garlic and some pimento seed right there. Let that saute for about a minute or two until fragrant. Now we're going to add some water to the same bowl that we seasoned the oxtail in earlier, along with a bit more hot water. We're not waste nothing, we're not dashing nothing. Cover that for about 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna add the remaining of oxtail back to that pot. Mix well, then we're gonna cover it and let that cook for about maybe like 20 minutes